because that really made the look complete.
So beyond the moochie and the look that was given to you, what else? What was the research?
And Shah Rukh
had to wear the clothes.
I want to tell you my favorite Shah Rukh contribution in the film is when he's slapping the tiger and saying naughty pussy, naughty pussy.
Who's your daddy now?
More than the 30th role they put in the movie.
But these guys asked me, they said, what's your favorite scene? And I said, when Shah Rukh fights with the tiger. They said, there's a fight with the tiger.
A fought with the tiger.
He's fought with the tiger.
Yeah.
So nobody knows that, but Shah Rukh's fought with the tiger.
Yeah, so please film देखिएगा क्योंकि बहुत दिनों के बाद मैंने टाइगर से लड़ाई की.
And then he's slapping the tiger and saying naughty
Slap him
pussy,
silly.
naughty pussy.
And the tiger goes meow.
Meow.
It actually does. They have put the sound effect.
You are starstruck in the first half of this movie, where you're absolutely in love with Deepika, the star, and Deepika, the person, and the way it is in that movie. So tell me, who was your, when you were growing up in the 70s, was there like a icon, Hema Malini, Zeenat?
None of them. Actually, I'm starstruck with her in both the halves of the film because she's so tall. First half में ऊपर वाला half, second half में नीचे वाला half, because you couldn't fit in one half into one half. Sorry. But I used to love Veena Dhawan. I used to love Parveen Babi. I still love them. Hema Malini and
Shah Rukh's love
Saira Banu and Mumtaz. I mean, once they came into the 70s and stuff. But I'm absolutely besotted and in love with all those heroines. Even now, and I say it without any fear, that given a chance, I would act with them wholeheartedly. They're beautiful, and I'm so sorry, and I apologize publicly. और ये हमारी गलती है, फारा और मेरी और हम सारी production के actually we could not get Zeenat ji to participate in the song, and it's not that we overlooked, but timing गलत हो गया और हमसे बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई. So that's the only thing missing in Om Shanti Om is Zeenat Dhawan. She should have been there because we love her so much.
If you were to remake a 70s flick, which one would it be? I mean, if you guys were to all act in it.
We've already made it. हम Dawn कर चुके हैं.
Dawn, that I know. That's why my question.
शोले भी कर चुके हैं.
शोले आ चुके. I don't think I would want to remake any of the 70s. I think they were just fab, and you know, unless you are like Dawn had you could make it really modern and you could make it Mission Impossible, but other than that, if you take a Diwar or a Trishul, it may look outdated today.
Yeah, but I think, am I right in thinking Gunmaster G9, Agent
that is
Vinod,
80s,
that's 80s. Okay, but वो बन सकती हैं.
Suraksha and Vardat.
Yeah, Suraksha was actually in 1979.
Remake. Somebody will be remaking it now.
Okay, that's good.
We should have kept it to ourselves.
Deepika, who's your favorite actor from the 70s?
From the 70s?
You can't say Shah Rukh.
Yeah.
Even though I act like.
You can't give one line answer.
Yeah. I've really not watched too many films from the 70s. For me, Bollywood was about around the 90s when I started seeing Shah Rukh and Aamir and Salman. That's the generation that I've grown up in understanding cinema.
But did you realize once you started seeing all those movies that, damn, Dharmendra is so good looking, or Vinod Khanna or Shatrughan Sinha, you know, the way he was still could pack that much punch into an, oh my cheno.
Yeah, but...
That was really nice.
Yeah, very good.
एक बार और करते, please.
Oh my cheno.
Very good, yeah. You're looking like Danny and sounding like Shatrughan.
Imagine. I mean, with this chair that has wheels, I actually look like Danny in Dhun.
Yeah, you do.
So yeah, so did you look at any of those?
बचपन से यही लाइन ये बोलती रहती है.
Rishi ji was around at that time, right?
Yeah. 73
He started 73, yeah.
Because a lot of people think that he looks like my dad, and I don't know, I just like the, I've seen a couple of his films.
So did your dad point out a couple of movies that you should watch?
Oh, dad doesn't watch movies at all. He's not a movie buff.
Okay.
I can never discuss movies.
He's going to become one now. But
Yeah. I can discuss sports, any sport with him, but movies never.
I realize she's not saying any more after this. You're waiting.
Like, within part of the 70s. What would you have to say about them if you were like to, you know, say a research on these people, because you had to
I
act
think they
in
were
one
great.
character?
I think the 70s were definitely unique, you know, and they were complete originals. I think what was wonderful about all those characters are each one had their own style of speaking, of behaving, and all of that. So a lot of people ask me, did you research them and are you taking from any of those characters? So I said the best way to take from them and learn from them is to keep your own style and make your own style. And that's what I think would be my contribution to Om Shanti Om as the bad guy. And the way it has been conceived is to bring my own style into a negative character. And I think that's what you learn from those characters, meaning from Amit Ji to, I mean, they weren't villains, but I'm saying all the heroes to all the villains to, I think, Jeevan and all of them, they all had such a wonderful way of speaking.
I would say rather Vinod Khanna.
Vinod Khanna and all of them, they all had their own persona, their own style, their own mannerisms,
actually,
their own way of speaking.
The genre of villains has died.
Died, and Bam.
I think उसी जमाने में था और उस जमाने में इतना अच्छा था. I'm sure you can do that one also. सारा शहर मुझे लॉयन के नाम से जानता.
I can't do that.
सारा शहर मुझे लॉयन के नाम से जानता है.
Even those are great villains, and Farah was very very clear कि जो हमारा villain होगा वो एक तो खूबसूरत बहुत होना चाहिए, stylish बहुत होना चाहिए. He should be someone that everyone really looks up to in every which way.
प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा.
And बहुत elegant होना चाहिए. मतलब we really wanted someone like Clark Gable, Cary Grant, and then we found Arjun instead. But we were very clear कि जो villain होगा, and I'll just say it because see, Arjun is a little younger to me, 79. So I'll really honestly say, and I speak on behalf of Farah and the whole team, कि बहुत सारा इस फिल्म का दारोमदार जो है दीपिका पर है. I'm not shirking away from responsibility.
We have just put it on
her. दारोमदार इस पे है. It's an important film for her, and it becomes more important for us that way. And a lot on Arjun. And believe you me, and I speak completely not as a producer, as an actor, or a friend, or a part of a family that they are, but I truly speak as just a layman who's watching the film. Both of them have excelled, and especially Arjun, क्योंकि बहुत आसानी से because एक तो hero है. Arjun has always been a hero. He was reluctant. He was very wary of getting into this character. But Farah ने उससे बहुत बात किया, discuss किया, and हर
I think you also had a
हर कदम पे
we took him in Shah Rukh's bathroom and just after that everything was fine.
But it really is what he's done is really marvelous in the film.
Yeah.
Really marvelous.
Also because there is no role model for him to base it on. You know, he's never ever done something.
So you picked
like
him up,
this
but
before.
why did you, as in?
Because his personality more than anything else to begin with.
No, and I tell you, they both have really guided me through it. I mean, it was a difficult character for me to play because I don't know anybody like that. I don't hang out with people like that.
Nor do we actually.
Thanks.
And Farah and Shah Rukh have researched this character.
No, I think also for Arjun, what was difficult was the pitch of Om Shanti Om was a bit slightly more than he's ever done before. He's normally underplaying, or he's doing a movie which is slightly more subtle, or you know, so for him to get into that, it had to be.
So does he have dialogues like "मेरा plane अभी थोड़ी देर में उड़ने वाला है"?
No, sorry, this is not that kind of movie.
मेरा plane अभी थोड़ी देर में उड़ने वाला है.
थोड़ी देर में उड़ने वाला है, जैसे ये बॉम्ब फटेगा, मेरा प्लेन उड़ जाएगा.
It's not a remake of a 70s movie. The story is very modern
हमारी
and
फिल्म
nice
स्पूफ
and-
नहीं है. ये बहुत सीरियसली, मतलब it's just a period.
It's a story,
I mean,
just
it's
a
not कि
period is
हम
70s.
जोधा अकबर पे मजाक उड़ा देंगे. It is हम बिलीव करते हैं, हम उस दशक के हैं और हम काम कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर, और उसमें लोग एंजॉय करें.
Thanks very much.
दूसरी बात ये भी है कि the way Arjun plays his character, Deepika, good looking people always underplay, they don't need to. Ugly people like me and Farah, we are over the
We
top.
have to, thanks for
So
putting
somewhere,
me in a category.
thanks. So हमने हमारा बीच में कहीं पर एक मिलाप और मिलन हुआ है. And I really say it. I just say it not as a producer
So
or an
also,
actor.
I think for us, we make a bit of the movie is a bit high energy. It's not people are not sitting and talking like that. It's everyone is high energy. If you see the songs, if you see the scene, if you see Shah Rukh in the cowboy fight, you think it's in short and 12 frames.
And also Deepika की इंट्रोडक्शन लाइन फिल्म के अंदर जो है इतनी खूबसूरत है कि मुझे भगवान के कुत्ते